So using style kits in Canva helps you basically um, create artwork and do different things with a bit more ease. If you've got your own brand or a business or a company, you kind of want to keep all your logos in one spot. Um, Brand kits kind of help you do that and keep centralize all that information. So if you need it in a pinch, you can just click in and use your logos. So for example, say you're doing like a couple of social media posts for a company and you've got your artwork here. This is just blank as an example. Say you need like a watermark or the logo of the company that you're dealing with. If you go to your brand kit or your brand templates, this is kind of what will appear if you haven't got anything set up. So this is where you can kind of add the fonts for your brand, your icons or your logos for the brand. For example, I've got the Birdzilla logo here and I haven't got any of that content here. So say for example, I want to add my own watermark to social media posts. So I'll go maybe and I'll add my logos to the logos panel, and then this is where I can actually go in and add in my own. I can go in and add all the Birdzilla logos. So for example, the main logo I'll add here, and that will upload it. So that will be uploaded there. I'll save the brand kit changes, and then that logo will appear. I know this is a bit like it takes a bit of time, but just spend like 5 or 8 minutes doing it. It's going to save you a lot of time in the future if you've got access to a company or a brand Canva account. This helps you do a lot more and just makes things heaps quicker. Um, Photos, not really. I can do icons. So I've got a couple of icons here, so I can probably use the transparent version, for example. I can probably add a few more things um, to the main logo window. So we'll save that. Otherwise, you can hit save at the bottom here, and then I'll add it to icons. And you can see that it's slowly being populated. And then I'll do color palette. Oopsie, I won't shuffle that. And I can edit. So if you want to edit the color palette, just go hit edit, and you can pick and change, pick and choose, kind of what you want based off your color palette. For example, I'll show you this in, I guess, case in point. So if I just go, I just want to I just want to steal the color basically from the logo. This is a very long way to do it, but I'm just going to take the color and I'm going to actually color pick this aqua turquoise and add this to my branding kit to add to my color palette. So I'll hit that new color and then you can see that it's already picked it, or I shouldn't have actually done that and just left it as is. So I'll add that, delete the blue, add the black, and then maybe add a white because I think that's part of the branding. And then I'll save that, and there you go. So now this brand kit is being built up a bit more to kind of how I need it to be if I'm doing posts or creating documents, that sort of thing. If I need to use anything here, I can just hit it and then it'll appear. If I want to use this font, which is this Birdzilla font, this font's called Paladins. I don't think it's on here, but I can actually upload it here to, say, for example, title. So you can assign fonts to different, sections or certain subheaders, or to assign different actions for text. So, for example, Birdzilla would probably be title. So I choose a font, but I've already uploaded it here actually in the past. So yeah, it's a good chance for me to actually do it. So I'll hit Paladins and then 42. Yeah, that's fine. And I'll just save that. So now I haven't actually got a body or a subheading text chosen for this brand, but I'll just leave Paladins as the title. And there you go. So every time, and this will work for any document that I've got open in Canva as well. So if I ever need to use the branding for anything that I need, I can just hit font, for example, and it'll show up with those features or that sizing that I've chosen in the edit window for that font. So you can make it bold or whatever. If you've got different fonts, you can just add them all here. You don't have to assign them anything, but just add them all here, add all the information here. It makes it a bit easier. Yeah, so hopefully that helps you. If you've got any questions, just let me know. If you'd like some coaching, just leave a comment and I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks.